our new video on mastering the art of decision making and how to live an inspired and powerful family life. So unlock the key to success, harnessing the power of right decision making for your transformative career journey. So let's learn how to live an inspired, powerful life by decision making. So in this session, we'll explore the importance of making right decisions and how they can make a difference in your life. So let's dive into world of decision making and discover the power it holds in your life. So decision making is the integral part of our professional lives. The choices we make can shape our careers, relationships, and overall success. So making the right decisions requires careful consideration and a thoughtful approach. So today we'll discuss key aspects of effective decision making and how it can have a profound impact on your professional life. So first is the power of decision making. So every decision we make has consequences, and the right decisions can transform our lives in remarkable ways. So they can lead to new opportunities, personal growth, and enhanced personal and professional achievements. So understanding the power of decision making is the first step towards living an inspired and powerful professional life. Point number 2 is clarity and information gathering. So when faced with decision, seek the clarity by defining your goals, values, and priorities. Gather relevant information, explore different perspectives, and weigh the pros and cons of each option. A well-informed decision is more likely to yield in positive outcomes. Point number 3, trusting your intuition. So intuition is a powerful tool in decision making. Sometimes your gut feeling or inner voice can guide you towards the right path. So learn to trust your intuition and let it complement your rational analysis. So it can provide valuable insights and help you make confident decisions. Now, point number 4, analyze risk and rewards. So every decision involves risk as well as rewards. So assess the potential risks associated with each option. Evaluate the potential rewards as well. Consider the short-term and long-term implications of your decisions and be prepared to take calculative risk to prepare your professional growth. So seeking advice and mentorship. Don't hesitate to seek advice and get a mentorship when making important decisions. Consult trusted colleagues, consult mentors or professionals who have experience in this field. Their guidance can provide fresh perspectives and help you make more informed choices. Next is embracing failure as a learning opportunity. So even with careful decision making, not every choice will lead to success. So embrace failures as learning opportunity and a stepping stone towards your growth. So analyze what went wrong, extract valuable lessons, and apply them to future decision-making processes. Next is realizing your potential. So making right decision can unlock your full potential. So it allows you to align your choices with your inspiration and your values. So opening door to a new opportunity and personal growth. So by making conscious decisions, you take control of your professional journey. Next is building trust and confidence. So making sound decision builds a trust and confidence. both in yourself and among your colleagues and your superiors. So when you consistently make well thought out decisions, you establish a reputation for reliability and competence. And this decision making can lead to increased responsibilities and increased career advancements. So achieving goals and objectives. Effective decision making is essential for achieving your goals and your objectives. It ensures that your actions are aligned with your decision or your desired outcomes and helps you stay focused on the path to success. So by making the right decisions, you can navigate through challenges and overcome obstacles on your professional journey. And the next one is creating a positive impact. So your decisions have a power to create a positive impact not only on your own life but also on the lives that are around you. So thoughtful and ethical decisions can inspire others, foster collaboration, and contribute to a positive work culture. So that's all in this video. Thank you for joining in. So your decision have the power to create a positive impact not only on your own life but also in the lives those are around you. So thank you for joining us in this exploration of power of decision making. Remember, every decision you make that matters. Embrace clarity, trust your intuition, analyze risk and rewards, seek advice, learn from your failures. So by making right decisions, you can make a real difference in your professional journey. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, then you can put the comments below. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my podcast channel. You can go to my blogs. You can read from there. If you like these videos, you can put down your comments on it. If you use these points in your life and you get success, then please share that, and that will be inspiring us for getting new topics for your life. Thank you very much. So live life powerfully and live life you love.